fuse my beat with my connection.
I need you to let's get it. Live and direct, we in this bitch. Piss only, calling the break, Mayo.
Y'all know how we fucking rocking. What's the word?
All the way, all the way.
Look over here. Mayo, shout out. IGE the camp. Now we moved on to bigger and better things. Y'all gonna see a couple of tracks. Y'all gonna see a couple of motherfuckers I'ma have on the tracks. Y'all just gonna see what I do to achieve greatness, you know?
I had that beat for the low. I had to get on the go. I ain't gonna tell you too much. It's ain't your business to know.
But this tape is basically about healing as far as the streets go. Cause there ain't a lot of niggas out here that's 100, you feel me? There ain't a lot of niggas out here that's real, you feel me?
Did the designer, but Bill keep paper the products. Now you just did to be honest. I'm still gonna get in this money.
No promises to tape. Whole mixtape. Y'all gonna have some joints on there for the club, y'all gonna have some joints on there for the bitches, but it's music, man. You know, that's just the type of attention motherfucker trying to bring in and what I'm trying to bring in, you know.
Haters can't even display what I rock. That truth for that guy from the shop. I feet to the T. Look like I said more than the block. I got that peak for the low. I had to get on the go. I ain't gonna tell you too much. It's better than your business to know.
So through the whole tape, y'all gonna hear me talking about a whole lot of police ass niggas, you feel me? Motherfucking other shit that I done went through too, but mainly the shit is about I should have never fucking made no promises, man. I should have never made no promises, man. It's a hell of promises I made to a couple of my homies and shit, you feel me? Niggas that turned around and told them, G. Niggas that told around I got booked, try to get with your BM, G. Motherfucker turn around and just do all kind of fool shit, go behind your back, try to get plays and shit over plugs you put them into them with, you feel me? Motherfucker try to cut you out, you feel me? Cause they see you winning, you feel me? Me and my homie, Courtney. Since high school, shorty. Since high school.
Take it back, since motherfucking
middle school, grammar school, on my soul. I'm talking about, we've been in this shit for a minute, man.
I'm talking about niggas be at the motherfucking table in the morning and Mayo come through. What up, Mayo? I'm like, bro, you good? Nah, bro. What's the word? It's like that. I'm like, bro, wait, Mayo, what you talking about? I'm like, we in school, bro. Man, it's like that. Mayo done took off his shirt. Buddy at the table eating his shit. Mayo, smile, stop playing with me, boy. He got to going crazy. I'm in this bitch like, wait a minute, Mayo, hold on. You gonna knock Buddy out while he eating this food?
Fuck all
that shit.
We with it. Still being able to record in this booth right here, y'all. This shit bring back so many memories, man. I'm talking about since high school, man. Like, so many people, y'all see this, man. So many people have been in here, man. RIP my homie, man. Little action, man. Man. I want to let y'all know what's going on, you feel me? I can tell you easily how I'm out here. You feel me? What I'm doing. But that shit that y'all can see. Y'all go down my Facebook, you feel me? All that shit gonna be on the documentary too. I was 14, I was in the school, in the city. Studio niggas going to now. The Louis, all them niggas going to now, you feel me? Big studio on that bitch, I walk in that bitch, Buddy got pictures, Flavor Flav, 50 Cent, I'm talking about all kind of shit. The whole time though, I'm in the studio with some heavy hitters. I write my verse, I'm 14. I go in that bitch, lay my verse down, everybody ball they shit up. Everybody in the school ball they shit up. Throw them bitches. Everybody rewrite their verses. That was when I knew it was over with. These niggas talk a whole lot of this, these niggas talk a whole lot of that, talking out your mouth. He ain't even got a whole lot of straps, he ain't even got a whole lot of clout. I ain't even finna trip. He can talk a whole lot of shit. That'll be a whole lot of clips. See me and my tool, nigga better really keep cool. That'll make a whole lot of sense. These niggas telling, coming out the courtroom yelling, claiming that he oh so ready, nigga, oh so petty. Gave his man all these years, all cause the nigga got jealous. When I got booked, I ain't saying a motherfucking word. Your boy just came home a felon. Jake's jamming spot, they were fam or not. Boy, I'm going down with my fellas. You can ride a lot, but I'm gonna ride or die with the riders by me forever. I done had enough of niggas. I got enough of niggas. I said a bunch of niggas are gonna touch some niggas. That's for fucking with us. You're sleeping on me, you get punched to sleep. Your man's bunking with you. One for all for one. Your man's riding to catch a punkin' with you. I go fucking crazy. I'm a fucking issue, boys. Nothing, dog, to get you tough with pistols. We get location, we'll come and get you. Nigga think we won't, I might feel offended. Pop up at your door and knock it off the hinges. Just give them bullets like the shit was lended.
Whole lot of shit I could've said, man, a whole lot of shit I could've told you. Only if I would've knew the turnout, man, I swear I wish you knew the old you. But I seen this shit coming, but a real nigga posed to. Only if I would've knew how I would've went down, never would've made no promises, no promises, no promises, no promises, no promises. All the stuff for the guys, bunch of niggas ain't gon' ride. No promises, no promises.
After y'all see this shit, y'all gonna start getting the links to the no promises. Y'all gonna get the, start hearing the no promises. Y'all gonna get the, hold on, let me hear my weed. Y'all gonna get the, get a view of the no Woowappy Bam. The Woowappy Bam.
Hey, Woowappy Bam, like, hey, for the record, Mayo say Woowappy Bam at least 5 times in like 5 seconds. He was like, yeah, you know, I went down over there to the Woowappy Bam and shit. I was smoking with Shorty and shit. She, Woowappy Bam, she started going crazy. I'm behind it like, all right, Woowappy Bam. Nigga, but then I heard somebody knock on the door. I had to get out that bitch like, you feel me? Woowappy Bam. I'm like, this nigga Mayo, bro.
Whole lot of shit I could've said, man, a whole lot of shit I could've told you. Only if I would've knew the turnout, man, I swear I wish you knew the old you. But I seen this shit coming, but a real nigga posed to. Only if I would've knew how I would've went down, never would've made no promises, no promises, no promises, no promises, no.
Look, let me get my stuff on, you feel me? Top 5 Billboard, you know what I'm saying? Easy with the pen game, it's just too easy, bro, too easy.
So y'all know who to get in tune with, y'all.
Oh, you have been
Call me.
Alright. Call me like talk.
He close.
Knew I was plugged, shit, push kinda shove. You wasn't missing a Dutch, knew you was love. Used to be one of the thugs, but now to me you don't mean nothing. True nigga, no new nigga, fool ass nigga. I couldn't trust me enough to even be around you and not try to clown you, my nigga. Cause this shit is deeper than us.
Like I'm really going through that shit, bro. My BM did me in, bro. This bitch bringing it all out me, bro. My soul.
How did you say what's up?
How could I ever just let it be? These feelings don't miss with this melody. Forever, girl, you was my everything. This beat really say a lot. I shouldn't even grab out your let it. Yeah, I shouldn't even grab out your let it breathe. You told me you'd always want better things, so I upped and gave you a better me. How I would've went down, never would've made no promises, no promises, no promises, no promises, no promises. All the stuff for the guys, bunch of niggas ain't gon' ride. No promises, no promises.
But you know what I learned? One thing I learned, motherfucker don't know, is them waves. Y'all don't be understanding what motherfucker be talking about when they say them waves. Yeah, I got smoke with the cameraman. Cash Vision, just get you one, baby.
Straight shooter.
Straight shooter. Boom, boom. Fuck is y'all talking about? Before I was doing any of this shit, I was a hitter. Fuck is you talking about? Ask about me on my soul. I'm not one of them niggas finna come out on all this other drill, all that other goofy ass shit, cause I'm the one for that shit. I'm the one for that shit. I'm gonna let you know. I ain't for none of that shit. But I just wanna cool it. That's all I want to do. I want to cool it. I'm a city nigga, but I've been in the deal forever. You feel me? So this shit like home to me too, man. Cause I'm clouded up just a little bit. You feel me? Everybody talk about me like it's like I'm a god. So much shit been going on. I ain't want to get on tracks and talk about how much money I got, how many bitches I done fucked, and how many cars I'm driving that's foreign, Wadi Bam this. Cause I ain't there yet. You feel me? Even though I got big homies, I could hop in that shit. Easy. I can call them up, hey, bring the Porsche out. Bring the chain up. Bring the Rari. Yeah, that shit ain't shit. You feel me? But none of that shit is mine. None of that shit is mine. So I don't want that shit in my video. Nigga, if I can't buy that shit and rent it myself like they do for the real shit, nigga, then I don't want it, nigga, period. Y'all gonna see me, y'all gonna see him coming. That's what no promises is about.
Fuck that renting shit. We buying shit out the ass, yeah. Wait till we get that, bitch. Fuck it tomorrow.
And we on the way, trying to make a way for us to make a meal, finding different bitches just to make a drive. Hit the crib with that work. And the bitch I'm with trying to bag it up. Well, I'm bagging up, but she bad as fuck. But the pussy good, I done had it once. If I had a hunt, she'd grab her stuff. Everything I would've had to dump. Just a normal day for a hood nigga that's used to what I'm used to. Real pack pushing, no slack took so I'm back pushing what I'm used to. Cause these niggas so foo-foo, nigga pockets fat, no Bruce. Gotta honor that, no loose. I fight a nigga, but I shoot too.
I say trust none, cause niggas plotting. Gotta pay attention to the way they watch it. Same nigga smiling in your face and be responsible for your body dropping. Circle small like virgin women. Chasing money so I'm curving women. From the city where blood pools from them dead bodies make a perfect swimming. It's crazy the way shorties can't get away from these niggas that shooting with no aim. So they introduced to the lesson to shoot cause they only trying to keep they self safe. Okay, Polo, you
They say no honor and promises. I told them just wait on no promises. I'm like, hey, little bro, I got this shit. They just be thinking the opposite. Do you not see who they rockin' with? Do you not think I'm on top of shit? This is not a murder or kill spree. You about to see in the apocalypse. You to the 3, that's Stoyakovich. My niggas dogs. We do not play with that poppin' shit. Pop a bitch, pop a feel. Pop out and pop again. And that's how we poppin' in. You nigga not the shit. You nigga not legit. Word, hey, I just be wanting the money. I mean, I want a lot of it. You should acknowledge it. Cause you too incompetent. Word, hey, they ain't got two-faced some green things. Everything I see is counterfeit. My niggas counterflip. My niggas counter grip. Word, hey. But that shit you already know. Stop talking about shit that you already know. I do it until I get hundreds. I done it. I do it until I get more than I got. I be too worried about money, too worried about anything else that these niggas could plot. Truly you know me improving the haters. Your haters can't even display what I rock. That truth that I got from the shop. I'm fleet to the T. Look like I serve more than the block.
Whole lot of shit I could've said, man, a whole lot of shit I could've told you. Only if I would've knew the turnout, man, I swear I wish I knew the old you. But I seen the shit coming, but a real nigga posed to. Only if I would've knew how I would've went down, never would've made no promises.